Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, we are going to be doing another subscription unboxing, and this one is going to be a new one. I've never tried this subscription box before, so I wanted to try it, and I went ahead on Instagram and I put up a poll in my stories and asked if you guys wanted me to do a unboxing on my channel, and you guys said yes. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's rosevmua. Make sure you go ahead and follow me there because I do a lot of sneak peeks. I post a lot of, swatches and all that other stuff on products that I get. And yeah, I do a lot of things there that you guys don't see here on YouTube. So if you guys want to see behind the scenes and all that stuff, you definitely want to go ahead and follow me there. So without further ado, let's get to this video. Alright, so this is the box here. Very, very pretty. The box that I got is June's box. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of information on what FabFitFun is. And that way you guys, can get an idea. Alright, so this is it's not a monthly subscription. I have like my iPad here with, notes and stuff like that. Okay, so this subscription box retails for $49.99, and it is a seasonal box. So you get 8 to 10 full-size premium products valued at over $200 every time you get a box. Now, what I mean by seasonal, you get a box 4 times a year. So you have fall, winter, spring, and summer. So for every season you'll get a box, and this box pretty much carries, I would say, all lifestyle, because you have health, you have fitness, you have beauty, you have skin. I mean, beauty and skin kind of work together. You have like all kind of stuff there. And then for each season, you can choose add-ons that you want in the box, and those add-ons you will pay for, but you can choose add-ons, or you can just get the box and not know what's in the box and just have a complete surprise when you get it. And I think that is it for the box. Shipping is free. This box has been, I feel like, has been trending a lot this year. I've seen commercials on TV for it, like sponsored posts on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. Let's try something new and we'll see how it is. So that's what we're going to do. When I got my box, I actually had a $10, I think it was a $10, yeah, a $10 coupon code that I saw someone who posted on Instagram. They posted and they had a coupon code, and I just used it just to get $10 off. But here on the website, when you go on the website, they actually have a spot here where you can get 10% off of your first box. So I mean, that's cool. It's a good deal, and I think, in my opinion, I would say, as far as price-wise, I think it's worth it because, not that I think, I feel that it is worth it because in all reality, it's not a monthly box. So you get over $200 worth of product each season. So you get 4 boxes a month. You're only spending $50 for what? You're spending $50 4 times a year. So that's $200 for a whole year. And you get more than that for the whole year worth of product. So I mean, that's a good bang for your buck. So enough ramble, let's get into this video. Now this is, honestly, this is the second time I actually filmed this video, so hopefully this time everything works out good. So this is the box here. I have everything in here. Just gonna start pulling things out, and yeah. So it does come with a magazine, and inside the magazine, go ahead, go throw it in the garbage, baby.
I finished.
Good job. Go ahead, throw it in the garbage. So in this magazine, it pretty much gives you a rundown on all the products that you get. Here on this page, like the first page, it shows you the products that came in the box, and then it has or items. So those or items are pretty much add-on items. So if you wanted to go ahead and do add-ons, it has description, pricing, and all that stuff in the magazine. So I will be letting you guys know like pricing of each item as we, keep moving on. So first is the Aromatherapy Associates. This is a de-stress muscle gel. It's focusing on, it says focusing and soothing. Okay, so it's just pretty much for those people who maybe have like muscle spasms or anything like that. You had a really hard day at the gym, your muscles are hurting. This is something that you can use. And this retails for, is it here on this page? I don't see. Oh, okay, yeah. And this retails for $39. Then we have this moisturizer that has SPF 50 in it. It's by Kula. This is what it looks like here. This retails for $32. And it also says its 80-minute water-resistant formula is made with 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And it says non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free. It's a recycler. It's cruelty-free. So I mean, this is a really, really good product. Then we have a papaya enzyme peel. This is from, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, from Elamis. This is what it looks like here, and this retails for $45. It says, okay, good job, baby. It says this rinse off cream is made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk proteins, and moisturizing vitamin E that work together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. So that's this. Damn, $45 for this? That's expensive. Alright, here we have a makeup bag. This is a Yumi Kim makeup bag. It has 2 slots here. So you have your main compartment in here. And then here you can put brushes, little small utensil stuff here. This retails for $58. Like $58 for this. Like, yeah, I will not spend $58 on a makeup bag, but hey, I pretty much got it for free. Alright, so the next here that I'm gonna grab, this is a Maji Sports loop resistant band. So this is like workout, get your workout on. And this retails for $15. So this band you can use to target abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. Muscles. So that's that. Just put that here. Then, oh, I have like shimmer all over. Then I also got the Pharrell Luna Fofo facial cleanser. Not cleanser, but like the brush. So this is pretty cool. This retails for $89. And this one, it says it is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Pharrell Luna app. So I tried to check out the app. I have used this, and since I've been using this, I have, yes, baby.
What are you doing?
I am filming.
Filming?
Yes, okay, shh, okay, because mommy got to finish. But I have been using this, and I have so far seen a difference in my skin. I feel like when using a regular brush cleanser, like the bristles can kind of really irritate your skin, and sometimes it doesn't really clean the skin that well, whereas the silicone is a lot better. it wouldn't break the the newly fresh skin onto your face. It exfoliates very well and everything. So the app hasn't launched yet. I tried looking for it on my phone, and yeah, I didn't see anything. And when I went and registered on the website for my warranty and everything like that, it said that it's coming soon. So yeah, that's that. The next thing I have here is from Pure One. This is a marble ring dish. This retails for $14.99. So you could put your little rings, earrings. I mean, if you want to use this as a dish soap, whatever you want, you can use this for. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's very pretty too. Very, very pretty. And there's one more thing. Ooh, I almost dropped it. There's one more thing in here. So the last thing in the box is the Tarte's Pro Glow. This is by Tarte. Did my camera just move? Damn, you moved my camera. So when I first opened this, mine came broken, but it's cool. I'll fix it. But I'm gonna try to show you guys anyway how it looks. So this is what it looks like. You see mine came broken. This one here is a cream contour. You have the powder, and then you have your highlighting shades there. Pretty cool, and they are very pretty, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like cocoa. It smells really good. But that's everything that's in the box. Giving a first impressions, like, I feel like I spent, you know, well worth the money for this box, because there's a lot of good things in here that I can use. I'm trying to get back into fitness, so the resistant band works. I definitely have muscle pain, so this is pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't love another moisturizer? You know, skincare, like, who doesn't? And then obviously this little tool. I've been trying to get one of these for the longest, and I'm just like, do I really want to spend that much on one of these? A makeup bag. Everyone needs a makeup bag, and I feel like that one's very good for travel size. And obviously cosmetics. I mean, who doesn't love makeup? This is a makeup channel, so I mean, I feel like it's worth it. I will definitely continue to do these unboxings for FabFitFun. I know you guys like my BoxyCharm box, which I will have to film soon because I got my box. But I'll keep doing these for you guys, and I would say by the end of the year I can probably give you guys my full thoughts on FabFitFun and let you guys know, like, yes, definitely do it, get it. I mean, this is only just my first box, so yeah, we'll see how the future boxes come along, and we'll see if I'll end up sticking with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys like unboxing videos. Also, don't be afraid to comment down below. Let's chat, you know. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You might as well just subscribe now. And like always, just follow me on my other social media. That way you guys can get behind the scenes on stuff. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Now you can say bye, Liam. Okay. With chocolate all over your mouth. Now you can say bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.